You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, a name of French origin, and how you can easily pronounce it in English. I don't believe this is a very common surname used in English. It's certainly the name of a famous French novelist. Proust is the French pronunciation here. Proust. Therefore, in English, it's usually pronounced as Proust. If you want to learn how to pronounce his first name, here is the video you need to watch. Proust. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.